Hey, what's up, XRP holders? So this is absolutely very urgent and very good video because the all holders doing one big mistake, my brother. The mistake is absolutely very simple, my brother. To if you are doing this mistake exactly, my brother, you are completely in the loss. So let's see, my brother. This time you can see here, my brother, completely. The last 7 days chart is gonna be negative. I think you can see here XRP will moving upward, but definitely, my brother, at the same time, my brother, they fails when they fails down. Absolutely, holders starting very big mistake now. So let's see, my brothers, towards the mistake and why you are and how you are safe, my brother, and how you are take a profit, my brother. Everything I tell you in this video. But before I get started this video, I have one request: to subscribe this channel, and yes, also press the bell icon for videos notification. So if you can see, my brother, the last 1 hour chart is on the screen. This is the latest update, my brother. You can see here, and the update, as you can see here, the chain anchor as plus 0.19% moving upward. Definitely it's a very good jump, my brother, because all crypto market is fails down again now, my brother. But I think XRP is starting moving upward, so it's a very good news for all of you. You can see this time after a fails, every cryptocurrencies take a very huge jump. So this time you can see they also take a very huge jump. If we check out, my friend, in the last 7 days chart, then we understand to upcoming time there is a chance to them moving upward, and how we are safe from the loss, my brother. What's the mistake, my brother? Everything I tell you. So this time I'm going to, you can see here, this time the last 7 days chart is on the screen. And this chart, if you can see, my brother, when they fails down like that, absolutely like that, then the holders doing one big mistake. They starting selling. So I think especially this is very big news for a short-term investor. Short-term investor especially doing this mistake, to when they starting fails down, then absolutely they sell it and take a short profit and go, my friend. But absolutely this is very big mistake. You know, my brother, the long-term investor, they cannot do this mistake, because when they fails down, he cannot focus, my friend, in these type, my friend, because he cannot sell it before 2022, before 2023. So therefore he cannot see this short fail. So try to understand, my brother, short-term investor, please don't see this short fails. If you have a plan to invest for one day, then absolutely, my brother, this is very good time. You can see here, after this point, you go now and sell it. But definitely, my friend, you can see here, when they fails down like that, absolutely they are completely in the loss, and they cannot give you a profit, my brother. So try to understand to don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. XRP holder, please try to understand, don't sell it. This is not a selling time. Hold and buy, or hold and wait for the good time. I hope, my brother, the price will increase now very fastly. So you need to subscribe this channel. Absolutely, ABS Tech channel is update you. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.